Such a huge part of the Hawaiian culture is that music aspect and that storytelling aspect. So while we're doing song contests and we're telling these stories every year, not only myself but also my peers, we get to learn all these stories and learn about our cultures.
We sing these Hawaiian mele, and in the Hawaiian mele, most of them are stories, and they tell about a time or a place.
Every year is a different story. Every year is a different. You're bringing a new lesson to new generations.
The connection to my Hawaiian culture is important to me because it's who I am, it's who we are, it's in my DNA, it runs through me every day. I feel that my ancestors have shaped me into the person I am today.
Having that connection with the culture is very important to be able to perpetuate it and pass it down throughout the generations.
And without identity, we don't know who we are, where we come from. So by learning the culture, learning the music, appreciating the history, you're getting you're finding out who you are through it.
Well, it taught me life lessons like persevering through hard times, and no matter what happens, you have a responsibility and you have to stick to your responsibility and see it through.
I've learned endless things every single year, not only about my peers, but about myself as well. You know, I learn my teaching style and things that I like about myself and things that I can improve on.
This is the opportunity that the world gets to see the Hawaiian culture. And it's a rare opportunity that we get to present to the world so that they can see this beautiful culture that we're all a part of. And I love it.